Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're planning in my creative journal and it is for the week of January 17th through the 23rd. This is my sophisticated florals classic size happy planner and I am going to be using the lovely stickers I have created. I've created them mostly for my dashboard, but I had enough left over to also do the spread with this. And it's just so perfect with the blues and just a very wintry spread, so I decided to go ahead and use it for a journal in my vertical. And then if you want to see the other one, that's actually a dashboard layout in a classic. So here we go. If this is your first time coming to my channel and visiting, welcome. I really hope you like it here. There's plenty of videos to check out if you're interested, and if you are coming back, thank you so very much. Thank you for choosing to spend time with me. It truly means the world to me. So here we go with stickers. I really love what these stickers look like, so I have printed them and had them cut by my Cricut, and I really love how they look. It's kind of fun to be able to just place a random like bits and blobs without any format. Like I know that I don't know what I'm going to be writing about, so I just put stickers down. If I need more room, I'll add a journaling sticker or something like that. But for the time being, this blue color really makes me happy, so that's exactly what I'm doing. What do you guys think about this spread and all the blue that it kind of just sucked in onto the page? I love these trees and I love how they look. So for me, like I said, this spread is pretty special, and I don't make stickers very often, but I'm hoping to start to make stickers for myself and kind of have fun creating spreads. Okay, there we go, another sticker. Okay, so I'm just adding a line of trees and I hope that's gonna look good. And I'm just gonna continue adding little blobs of blue. And I made these stickers on paper, so if I need more room I can always write on them as well. And now I'm gonna just grab the Go book and add a few little snippets to be able to write on as far as journaling goes. So I'm gonna add some dark blues and some light blues and kind of alternate, and I think those go so well with the spread. It kind of melts in, so I'm gonna continue doing that until I get enough boxes so I can journal in them. So I'm gonna add the super light one that's lined like so. And then add a couple more of them, not too many, but I think that will work. And I don't really use that book that often, so I think winter time was the perfect time to actually whip it out and have all the blue stickers. There we go. I think these look great and I'll be able to journal. And I'm going to go ahead and take this washi strip that's very faint blue and it has polka dots on it, so it looks like snow. I'm going to add it to a few sections of my planner like so, and then just snap it with this washi cutter. I think this looks really good, and I'm having lots of fun designing this page. the way it is. I'm gonna put one more strip right above the journaling, right after I connect these trees. I think that looks really good. And I'm gonna put one more strip right there, which is extremely perfect for the length of it. So okay, now I'm gonna grab just a few round stickers to decorate with and place them on the page. I think that's gonna bring some charm to it as well. I'm just looking through the book and deciding if there's any other stickers that I could put in here that would actually suit my needs for this week and not just some random word, which I'm not the biggest fan of, to just put random things that don't really correlate to you. I have days that it doesn't bug me, but most of the days I really like to be intentional and put down the things that are going to be important in my life. Okay, so I'm just gonna put love, and then you got this right here. Okay, that's my whole spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for spending some time with me today. Have a great day.